Step inside, creators and dreamers. Today on Hambelung Studio, we're diving into a transformation that will reshape the way you feel about the heart of your home. For too long, kitchens have leaned toward cold surfaces, muted steel, and sterile minimalism. But we believe your home inside deserves more warmth, more personality, and more soul. This is your invitation to rediscover what a kitchen can be when rustic charm, thoughtful decor, and cozy design come together with purpose. Imagine stepping into a space that instantly embraces you, a space where warm tones glow against natural textures, where the hum of daily life feels grounded, comforting, and beautifully intentional. We're talking about rustic decor, not just as a style, but as a story told through lived-in wood grains, soft amber lighting, and materials that whisper history and heart. A kitchen like this doesn't just function. It welcomes, it inspires, it invites conversation and connection. So today, we're breaking the cycle of cold kitchens and leaning into the art of creating truly cozy, rustic spaces that elevate your entire home. Whether you're redesigning from scratch or adding small touches that spark big feelings, this video will guide you in shaping an inviting, warm-toned kitchen you'll never want to leave. Let's step into the transformation together, because your home inside should feel like your favorite story waiting to unfold. Where warmth begins. In every home, the living room is the first whisper of your personality. Instead of letting the space feel flat or cold, think of it as the heart of your cozy home inside, a place where rustic decor sets the emotional temperature. To create this inviting atmosphere, start by layering warm textures. Think of soft woven throws, oversized knit blankets, and vintage-inspired cushions in earthy tones. Add wooden accents, such as reclaimed coffee tables or rustic floating shelves, to anchor the room with natural charm. To enhance the rustic feeling, include muted amber lighting or lantern-style lamps that cast a warm glow, instantly transforming the room from standard to comfort sanctuary. This combination of texture, tone, and lighting ensures your living room welcomes anyone who steps inside. Say goodbye to cold kitchens. The kitchen should never feel sterile or lifeless. If you've struggled with a cold, overly modern kitchen, now is the time to shift into a rustic decor mindset that celebrates warmth. Begin with natural materials, wood, stone, and cozy textiles. A wooden butcher block countertop or open shelving adds the charm of a farmhouse kitchen, while terracotta pots, jars, and textured linens soften the space. Warm tones are your best friend here. Consider cinnamon, honey, caramel, and muted earthy shades to transform your cooking space into an inviting retreat. Even simple touches, like a wood grain cutting board, rustic bar stools, or copper accents, can turn a cold kitchen into a glowing centerpiece of your home. When you design with warmth in mind, the kitchen becomes not just a place to cook, but a place to gather, talk, and connect. The rustic gathering space. A dining room is more than a place to eat. It's where stories are told and memories are passed down like heirlooms. To enhance the cozy, rustic feeling, choose a large wooden table, preferably with visible grain or vintage distress marks. This instantly gives the dining area a sense of history and authenticity. Pair the table with upholstered or woven chairs to soften the look. Add warm-toned table runners, ceramic dishes, and candle clusters to amplify the charm. For the walls, consider warm neutrals such as mocha, sand, or muted olive. A rustic gallery wall featuring old frames or botanical prints can bring personal character into the space. This design style encourages long, comfortable meals, where people linger because the room simply feels inviting. in the most unexpected place. Bathrooms are often overlooked, becoming the coldest and most clinical spots in the house. But with Rustic Decor, you can turn your bathroom into a cozy escape. Swap shiny cold finishes for natural textures, wooden vanity cabinets, woven baskets, matte black fixtures, or soft beige and stone-colored tiles. Even small changes, like warm tone lighting, linen shower curtains, or earthy accessories, can transform the energy entirely. Incorporate greenery to add life and soften the environment. Plants combined with rustic elements create a spa-like retreat right inside your home. This approach proves that even the smallest spaces can radiate warmth and character. The outdoor extension of warmth. Your garden is the gentle bridge between nature and your cozy home inside, making it the perfect place to expand your rustic design story. Start with natural, weathered materials, wooden benches, terracotta planters, stone walkways, or wrought iron accents. Choose warm lighting such as solar lanterns or string lights draped between trees or pergolas to create a magical evening glow. Incorporate rustic decor touches like handmade wind chimes, reclaimed wooden signs, or cozy seating with outdoor cushions in warm earthy tones. By treating your garden as an extension of your home, you create a peaceful, inviting atmosphere where nature complements your warm design style. today's journey into rustic decor, cozy home design, and warm-toned kitchen styling sparks something in you, then you're already one step closer to creating a home inside that truly welcomes and inspires. Remember, you don't need a full renovation to stop designing cold kitchens. You just need thoughtful touches, authentic textures, and the courage to lead with warmth. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Hamburling Studio, hit that like button, and share this video with anyone who dreams of turning their space into an inviting retreat. Join our growing community of creators who believe every home can tell a beautiful, cozy story. Until the next design adventure, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep breaking the signs of ordinary living.